In this video, we will continue our learning of quadratic equation, and more specifically, we will examine nature of roots of quadratic equation. We have seen in our earlier videos that a quadratic equation may have two distinct real roots, or we have two real roots both as same. So that means only one real root. So this actually is only one. So we have two or one, or we have none. No real root. And this, how can we check? We can check from the formula. We can also check that by all the methods. In case of graphical method, if the graph of the polynomial is cutting at two distinct points, then it is two real roots. If it is cutting only at one point, then it means only one real root. And if it is not cutting at any point, then it is no real root. In case of formula, we can examine in case b square minus 4ac is positive, then it means real roots. How many? Two real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then it means one real root. And if b square minus 4ac is negative, then it means no real root. Because for negative number, we do not know how to take the square root. The square root of negative number is not a real number. It's an unreal number. So it means if b square minus 4ac is negative, then no real root. Similarly, when we have this factorization by completing the square method, if on the right hand side we get negative value and on the left hand side we have made a perfect square, but on the right hand side we have got a negative value, then it is the same situation. That means no real root, because we will have to take a square root. So wherever the situation arises that we have to take a square root of a negative number in calculation, then it will not lead to any real root. So in this video, what we have learnt is that how to find what will be the nature of roots for a given quadratic equation. Say for example, in our earlier equation we have x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So what we need to do is we find the value of b square minus 4ac. And how do we find b square minus 4ac? In this case is b is 4 square, which is 4 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 5. So this is 16 plus 20, which is 36. So this 36 is a positive value, hence it will have two real roots. So whatever is the given quadratic equation, we just determine b square minus 4ac, and then based on this relationship which we have been given here, that if it is 0 then only one root, if it is negative no real root, and if it is positive then two distinct real roots. So whenever the question is asking that examine the nature of roots and specify how the roots will look like, then we don't have to solve the question, but just examine b square minus 4ac whether it is positive, negative or 0, and we can conclude whether it will have two roots or one root or no real. Thank you.
It's